talent pools at Symmons, we came up with that concept of really thinking about the different target audiences that we had within our organization. We have very different pools of talent, as we call them. So we have our exempt and non-exempt, but we also have our production team members, sales team members, and what we call our office team members. So it's very important for us to be able to have a system that we could tailor the end-of-year reviews, the comments, and the feedback for those populations. Customization of the different pools was very easy within Saba. Again, we had the same timeline, we have the same performance year, January to December, for all of the talent pools, but within the system you can create different processes. So there's different forms for the different people. You just are able to go in and extract who are the specific users, who are the specific talent pools, and make groups within the system, and then that feeds exactly what they see and what tasks they get that need to be completed by specified times. I think the biggest piece is honestly the cascading, the reporting capabilities, and being able to see within a workflow who has done what, having that level of visibility throughout the different department pools. That was a huge, huge win for us. The other thing as a leadership team, executive team I should say, they could also see the distribution and see where they were, and having that level of analytics and the visuals was a key piece that they didn't have before. So in terms of impact on the business, the goal alignment piece, the understanding of accountability, what are you expected to do, and having that cascade in a system where the manager can see it, the team member can see it, all of those things I'm very optimistic is going to help us in terms of our bottom results, because alignment is huge in terms of persons understanding what their contribution is to the overall. It has been quite progressive, and it's been well received in terms of a very structured approach. We use the tool to not just advertise what learning activities there are available, but the key thing for us was also connecting that back in the annual performance review form, because that was a key piece where we wanted managers to have that conversation with team members to say, here is a full snapshot of everything that you've done within this year, from goal setting to competencies to learning activities that go into your overall growth plan here at Symmons. So it was huge for us to have a tool that helped us to do all of those things.